Okay, what's going on, y'all? Today we're gonna be talking about windbreakers. Yeah, it's apparel. You know, it's not gameplay, but we finna talk about that. It's my first voiceover video, so let's see how y'all like it. Before we get into the video, I would like you guys to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video. But I really want you guys to subscribe. I ain't trying to pressure y'all or nothing. Oh, by the way, my social media is going to be at the bottom of the screen throughout the whole video. So if you decide you want to, type my name inside of your Twitter and your Instagram, hey, make sure you do that. Make sure you add me, follow me. Okay, so let's get into this video. First off, there are different types of jackets that are similar to this, to the Windbreaker. They're the Gore-Tex jackets, they're the all-weather jackets, and then you have the raincoats. Windbreakers, they're just more for style. The other types of jackets, I would consider them to be more for gear, for special purposes. Okay, me personally, I like to wear, I would definitely go with the Windbreaker over any of those other jackets. I mean, but it's up to you. I'm just here to give tips and all that. Okay, there's different types of windbreakers. First off, you have the pullover hooded windbreaker. Second, you have the zip up hooded windbreaker. Next, you have the windbreaker without the hood that zips up. And last, you have the windbreaker without the hood that's a pullover. See, me personally, I just usually go with the hooded windbreakers. It doesn't matter. Zip up, pullover, I can rock them. But I mean, it's up to you. Whatever you think looks better on you, or whatever style you think will fit you more suitably, then you go with that. But since I fuck with the pullovers heavy as fuck, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell y'all something right now. I'm gonna put y'all on some game. Alright, first off, you would never wear joggers with a windbreaker. You can wear track pants though. Like, you can wear Nike track pants, Adidas track pants, any type of track pants basically. But as long as it don't have that little scrunchy piece to the bottom of your pants, you Gucci, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to put y'all on game, man. That shit look weird to me. But if it's all the same, you can do whatever you want. But also, I would wear chinos with windbreakers. I would wear jeans. I would wear ripped jeans. What else? You could definitely try pulling off cargo pants, as long as you wear some high socks with it. You gotta wear like some high Nike socks or something, or some high Supreme socks. Everything you wear that's accessory wise has to either be Supreme or sort of name brand that everybody recognize, or at least just about everybody recognize. You know what I'm saying? I guess you could wear some Dusty Hanes socks, from Walmart or whatever if you got a low budget. But I would definitely go with, if you really want the sauce, you gotta go max level with it. You know what I'm saying? Like a real OG. You know what I'm saying? All right, so the type of headgears you would wear with this though. You could wear a baseball cap. I'm giving y'all the key right here. You could wear a Supreme headband, like I said. I would try to find me like a Nike headband, North Face headband, something like that. Something a little different, but still got the little swagger to it. You know what I'm saying? That's just me though. I like to be ice cold with the sauce. You know what I'm saying? You dig? So check this out. I mean, it's all up to your preference. If you don't really like hats like me, I don't really like hats, so I really wouldn't wear them. It depends on the circumstances, or it depends on what situation it is. If you got a fresh haircut or whatever, or if you got a fresh hairstyle, fresh table line, fresh whatever you got on top of your head, just rock with that. You don't even gotta wear a hat, man. I would just go with that. If you decide that you really want to look wavy and look like you ice cold with the sauce, I would definitely recommend you guys wear like a Supreme or Nike or Adidas waist bag, or even a shoulder bag. Those even work, you know what I'm saying? Uzi Vert likes to rock the Goyard bag. Playboy Cardi likes to rock the Goyard bag. They just like rocking bags, and you don't care if they look like purses or not. Hey, as long as just like it. Now, the type of shoes you would wear with this would definitely be Vans work for everything. High top, low top, medium top, schmedium top, schmodium top. It don't matter. As long as you put a pair of Vans on your feet, you got the sauce. That means you gonna get all the girls, bruh. That's all I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm talking about first day back in school, first day back in college, on campus, and they see a pair of Vans on your feet, all black, all white, all gray, it don't even matter. Hey, they gonna be on your job, bruh. I'm being for real. That means I'm talking Yeezys, I'm talking Supreme shoes, I'm talking about off-white collabs, I'm talking about you basically wearing a whole bunch of expensive shoes nobody can really afford. If you could get a pair of shoes like that, bro, they're gonna bow down to you. People gonna bow down to you, bro. They're gonna be like, oh, is it real? Is it fake? Once they find out it's real, bro, it's over, trust me. But me, I just keep it simple. I just rock with the Vans. Vans just match me. That just match me up real good. If I do get any hypebeast type shoes, it'll be Vans collab with the North Face, because North Face is my signature. But me, I just recommend wearing the Vans because I try to keep a low budget. It don't need for me to flex so hard. It's not like I'm a lad. You know what I mean? I ain't no lad dude. So I mean, I can work with what I got now. Now, the only time I would try to flex is if it's the first of the year. You know what I'm saying? I get my tax money, all that. Bro, I don't think smart with that. But if I get my tax money, all that, I'll try to flex up a little bit. But other than that, if I ain't got no money, bro, might as well just go with the cheapest thing. You know what I'm saying? Why spend $300 to $400 to $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 on a pair of kicks, bro? You can do it. You can do it big with the smallest things, the cheapest things, bro. Live smart, save money. I'm telling you. Some other type of shoes you can pull off wearing with a windbreaker. You can pull off wearing some running shoes like some Huaraches, some Roches. You can probably pull off a couple of those Adidas shoes too, like the Y3s. Just the real high-tech looking tech wear type of shoes you can probably wear. That's all I got. That pretty much just wraps up the video. You know, this is basically my first voiceover and basically talking in the mic throughout the whole video. So I hope you guys bear with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you decide you want to share, you can do that too. But I'm just satisfied with the like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, basically. Oh, by the way, my social media is at the bottom. You can go type that into your social. Find me or whatever. Hey, I'm a cool guy. I'm lit. Know what I'm saying? But yeah, Wolfpack, no slack. We out.